together with the DHA to identify irregular claims, payments, and anomalies which were previously undetected within the legacy of the NHIF system. The first one is on financial exposure. Honorable Speaker, the SHA system digital audit that led to the immediate and successful rejection of 10.6 billion in claims that were non-compliant and fraudulent, and preliminary estimates of this financial exposure related to these irregular payments are in the range of several hundred million shillings. A final verified figure will be communicated once the joint audit of the whole SHA system from October last year, when SHA started, up to October this year is complete. This ongoing forensic validation is a proof of the effectiveness of the Social Health Authority new digital architecture in uncovering and preventing fraud. And Mr. Speaker and honorable members, medical fraud globally is about 30%. What are the preventive reforms under SHA that we have introduced? And so far we have rolled out very robust reforms in order to strengthen governance, in order to put in place transparency and accountability. And how are we doing this? First, we have strengthened our AI-powered digital oversight. Our DHA, Digital Health Agency, has upgraded the next generation artificial intelligence and machine learning tools within the SHA claims adjudication platform. This system, Mr. Speaker, detects abnormal claim patterns. It detects inflated bills. It detects duplicate submission in real time. And this is what we call automated pattern recognition. Secondly, we have digital identity verification. The system links each claim to a biometrically verified beneficiaries, ensuring that only legitimate patients and providers are reimbursed, hence safeguarding the public money. Honorable Speaker, if this House is taken through, and I really want you maybe a time to call one of the time when you have a retreat to invite us, and we tell you, and I'll give you a good example. Honorable Speaker, when a child is born, when a delivery takes place in a health center, one of the critical documents that the Social Health Authority will require, apart from the claim form, is called birth notification. It's good, Senator Khalwale listens to me. You know, he's a doctor, and I want him to go and say it at home. Yes. No, the whole of Kakamega County. Honorable Speaker, that document of birth notification is one of the documents that must be provided with a claim for SHA to reimburse that delivery, reimbursement of 10,000 or even for 30,000 for cesarean. When you don't submit a birth notification document, whether a child has been born or not, the question lingers. That claim becomes not payable. For example, again, and I am sure Dr. Khalwale and many doctors in the House will agree with me, if you perform surgery, any procedure, and you want to do a claim, and the claim form is a legal document, and you have not attached theater notes, SHA will not pay you. Because that is not an evidence that even a surgery has taken place within a theater. But more importantly, we have discovered, even against the WHO rules,